Minsan daw, mayroon isang batang gamo-gamo na naakit sa liwanag ng apoy. Maski anong paalala ng kanyang ina na huwag siyang lalapit sa apoy, ay lapit pa rin siya.
Hello guys, nabitin ba kayo? Halina't samahan nyo kaming mag-interview at alamin ang buhay ni Rizal at kung ano ang kanilang kaalaman tungkol kay Rizal. So today we gonna explore the extraordinary journey of Dr. Jose Protasio Rizal Mercado y Alonso Rialonda, from his humble beginning to the historic sacrifice.
A few moments later, 2,000 years later, one eternity later.
Good afternoon, KPS. Kasama nga natin si
Jeric Flor,
from what college?
College of UAB. Joke ba ito? Engineering.
May kailan yung birthday mo?
October 17.
Relevant ka ba ngayon sa kung anong nangyari sa buhay ni Rizal?
Medyo.
So, meron kaming 5 questions at pipiliin ka namin. Kapag nasagutan mo, meron bang
Cash unta.
Open yung door. So, pili ko muna isang question.
Abra ka na? Where is the birthplace of Jose Rizal?
So, can you read it loudly para map?
Where is the birthplace of Jose Rizal?
So,
I think Laguna.
yun na. Ang tamang sagot ay... Surprise.
Ako na. Yeah. Ayan na ba?
Pamati mo, no? Importante mo naging ang relevant sa buhay ni Rizal.
Oo, kaya siyempre. Siya sa'yo sa naghatag saan nagbigay kalayaan, kinano nagayang kalayaan ng Pilipinas. Like sa Kastila, nagkayaon siya propaganda nga na limitang RL, Pilipis Makunwara Adto, hindi rin kayo magkakayaon si ni Magsikan. Nga nagkayaon ni Magsikan, then iba naglaban at kuwan, bansa para sa kalayaan.
Oh, what a heartfelt, what heartwarming message from Lord.
So, what college are you from?
College
First year? So, mag-entrance lang sa inyo, ano ko sa inyo. Tapos, pabukit ka lang sila. Huwag mo tapos sa class. Okay ka naman.
Okay, the question is, what are the school most famous? It is the El Turismo and Valentine.
Tama!
Small talking lang. Kung meron pa kami any question, kailangan natin papag-aralan.
Especially to our ginagamit. Parang na-analyze ng mga thoughts, parang kung dati sa ating mga bansa, we're nag-function natin sa past, pero sa we need for to learn about the past so that is ka na naman mag-advance in other technology is nagapag-inapon sa kamaan at mga nakaagit sa past development.
So, kaya mo
Probably, you will be disappointed, especially sa mga economic natin ngayon, di ba? Mga nangyayari, mga actual.
Hi, we are the civil engineering students and currently taking GE9 Rizal, Life's Work Rizal. Then now we are trying to some activity at school. Rizal, relevant ka ba? Tapos, okay lang pa sa inyo na yung naging post to social media. It's a video for educational purposes lang. Okay lang. So first, may I know your name, age, then saan ka college nag-study? Saan ka college naging? Saan ka part sa college?
I'm Juday Salagban from the College of Arts and Communication. December 30 is Rizal Day. What do you think is the relevance of this date to Rizal?
Any answer?
Rizal Day is the birth of Rizal, right? So it is the beginning of his journey as a not as a hero, from being born in Laguna, and it started his journey by his education, and then up to the day he was considered our national hero today.
So the last two question is, do you think studying the life and works of Rizal is still relevant today? Why and why not?
Yes, the studying life and works of Rizal is still relevant today because we can imagine and we can have realizations about the sacrifices of our national hero to gain our independence. We are taking today.
Thank you. And the last is, if Rizal were alive today, what do you think would be his reaction or message about what is happening in our country?
I think if Rizal is still alive today, he will be sorrowful and disappointed because his experiences were not given proper recognition and were not appreciated appropriately, especially in the governing system of our society today, and is something is systematically failed.
Thank you again, once again, Miss Julieta. Thank you for your wonderful explanation.
Hi, we're students from BS in Social Engineering, taking GE9 Life and Works of Rizal. May we ask for your consent to participate in this short interview? Or is it okay if this will be included in our class output and possibly uploaded in social media? Yes. This is for our class activity called Rizal Relevant Ka ba? Nag-take ka po ba kuhan GE9 or Life and Works of Rizal? Nano po yung mga rank?
Hindi pinabal ko.
Nano po yung course?
Civil engineering.
Mangutan ko about kan Rizal. Basic one. Question about Rizal. Can you tell us Jose Rizal's complete name?
Game.
Can you tell us Jose Rizal's complete name?
Nagalimutak na.
Where is the birthplace of Jose Rizal?
Alam ba na na?
What are his two most famous novels?
Nung kami tapos yung Philippines Dress mo.
December 30 is Rizal Day. Why do you think is the relevance of this day to Rizal?
Para very mawara ang visual na history tradition. Kaya mga pinagareho talaga ng
Do you think studying the life and works of Rizal is still relevant today? Why or why not?
siguro para sa pag-kuhan, depende sa iyo also. Pwede siya i-upload sa'yo sa mga subjects. Pero depende sa iyo also. Para sa ako, mapapag-engineering, i-happy mo ang isa na life. Parang, di rin naman siya relevant na anak para doon sa parang kurso. Kaya siguro, pwede siya i-happy sa ibang kurso.
If Rizal were alive today, what do you think would be his reaction or message about what is happening in our country?
Siguro po kay kung buhay pa siya, mas mapayada siya na lang maging presidente. Kay sa mga nabaranta, waray man sa corruption na inanamo, pinagsabang ko niya ang kung ano ang mga karapatan sa mga bayan ng Pilipinas. Para sa kung buhay pa siya, mas mapayada na siya na lang maging presidente. Very popular.
Go.
Thank you, salamat.
Okay, sige.